As you can see, the AI model removes the background and change the background simultaneously, and I move my hands and my body and it does the removal of the background. I'm using RTX 4060 GPU. First of all, we go to the page for the GitHub repository. We search on Google U2Net GitHub and we find the first link for the GitHub repository of the U2Net, and after open it we go down to see the paper. This is the famous paper called U2Net paper, and we go down to the part for salient object detection, and it's here usage for salient object detection. We follow the instruction as it says. We clone the repository. We git clone the repository. I already have done it. I cloned the repository here. As you can see, it's over there under the salient object detection folder. U2Net, it's over here, and I already did it. And then we follow the instruction. Then it says download the pre-trained model from the Google Drive. I also go to the page to download the Google to download the model, and after clicking to download, it says download anyway. We download it. I already also download the U2Net model before, and I'm going to use this model. And then I follow the instruction. It says we should put the model in the saved models folder and then U2Net folder. I already did that. I also did that. As you can see, I'm going to show you the U2Net folder saved models. It's here from the salient object detection that I have downloaded, cloned. I find the saved model and I go to the U2Net folder and I put the model here. And it says also we can put it here as well, but I prefer the first one. I put the model there, and then we are ready to run the my custom code for the webcam background removal. My laptop is using GPU RTX 4060, and I run the webcam background removal script on my laptop, and I wait for the output. Let's see how is the output. As you can see, the AI model removes the background and change the background simultaneously, and I move my hands and my body and it does the removal of the background. I'm using RTX 4060 GPU. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please like, share and comment below. Also, if you have any idea to see next on my YouTube channel, please comment it below. Thanks. Bye.